make burger steak a la Freeren? Let's find out! Spoiler warning para sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng Freeren Beyond Journey's End, go click away from this video para hindi kayo ma-spoil sa mga mangyayari. At balikan nyo na lang ako kapag napanood nyo na. Alright, so ngayon gagawa tayo ng bagong series at sigurado ako magugustuhan nyo to. Ang bagong series natin is about anime food, kung saan i-recreate natin yung mga napapanood nating food sa anime at iluluto natin ito in real life. Gagawin natin yung ginawa ni Freeren sa Freeren in Beyond Journey's End, kung saan meron siyang listahan ng ingredients na binigay ni Aizen, yung dwarf na kasama niya sa party, at ipinagluto niya yung kasama niyang party mate at estudyante ni Aizen na si Stark-san. Itong burger steak na to kasi mga kaibigan, ibinibigay lang tong burger steak na to kung kailan birthday mo or isa kang warrior na nakagawa ng mga nakakabilib na deeds. Para simulan natin o para gawin natin ang burger ni Freeren, ito yung mga sangkap. Okay, so firstly, ang kakailanganin natin ay 1 to 2 pieces white onion. Pwede din red onions kung alin man sa dalawang available sa inyong lugar. Dice the onions into small pieces. Pro tip, onion releases irritant enzymes that causes your eye to tear up. Ang mga enzymes na ito ay super attracted sa mga water molecule at first target nito ay ang nearest source of water, which is yung mga mata mo. Kaya kung ayaw nyong maiyak when chopping onions, put a damp tissue near where you chop. Para kapag nagpakawala ng enzymes ang onion, sa tissue ito didikit at hindi sa mga mata mo. Sadly, Freeren doesn't know that, as seen in this panel. Heat the pan and add oil. Ilagay ang onions. Evenly mix the onions in the pan. Look if the onion starts to brown and will caramelize once it looks transparent. Ibig sabihin, luto na. Patayin ang stove and put it aside to let it cool. Prepare 1 kilogram of ground beef. Add 200 grams of breadcrumbs. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. 1.5 teaspoon salt. And 2 eggs. Since wala tayong needing magic kagaya ni Freeren, we will use both our hands para haluin ang mga sangkap. Knead them thoroughly para siguradong mahalo ang mga sangkap. Add the sauteed onions and mix them both together. Once prepared na ang patty, diinan ang bandang gitna ng burger para magkaroon ng lubog upang hindi mag-bloat ang burger habang niluluto. Fry it in low-medium heat for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, loosen the sides of the patty to perfectly flip it using a plate. Once flipped, fry the raw side for another 6 minutes. Pagkatapos natin maluto magkabilang side, we have to add water into the pan. This will ensure the inside of the patty will be cooked because of the steam at maiiwasan natin na mahilaw ang loob. Add about 250 ml of water into the pan and cover it. And turn it up to medium heat. Cook it for another 15 minutes. After mag-evaporate ng water at maluto, transfer it from the pan into a plate. And now you can enjoy eating the Warrior Burger Steak. The burger itself is plenty enough for one person, so just share it with your friends and loved ones. Ayan o, sarap o, walang hilaw. Tikman na natin. Napakasarap. Malalasahan mo talaga yung onion. At saka lutong-luto yung karne. 10 out of 10, Freeren's Burger Steak. Panalo. Again, here's the recipe for Hamburg Warrior Steak. Alright guys, so if you enjoy this kind of content, please like and share this video para naman maging suporta nyo sa pag-grow ng aking channel. Also, maraming salamat again sa ating lahat, sa mga nanood at nagtiyaga dito sa video na to. Maraming salamat. This is your boy Amon. Peace out!